Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to V Tutorials. Today we'll be looking at how you can be crypto rich in 2025. Okay, but before I dive into this, if this is your first time coming across to this amazing channel, please do to subscribe to my channel, like my videos, and as well share my videos so that a lot of people can gain value from this amazing content. So we'll be using this app, this exchange. We'll be using this app, a coin market app. Okay, if you come to a coin market app, I'm going to look at the top 100. Okay, we're going to look at the top 100. All right, and if it comes to this top 100, one of the first coin I will want you to look at is XRP. This coin I'm going to mention to you, you don't really actually need to buy much. You can buy little and expect a huge return. Okay, and as well, you are also to make your own research about those coins before investing in those coins. Okay, before investing in those coins, you are also to make your own research. And as you can see in this our past few days, the crypto market is undergoing research, is undergoing resetting. Okay, that's why you see the market, you see a lot of reds from the market from yesterday down till today. Okay, so XRP is one of those reliable coin that has a greater feature that you can buy and also make a huge returns on it. All right, you can see its lows and its high in the past 24 hours. Its market cap was over 121 billion, and its fully diluted market cap was roughly 230. Okay, looking at the 24 hours volume, it has 26. It has over 26 billion, and the circulating supply was over 57 billion XRP. Looking at the max supply and also the total supply, you realize that this very coin has already been doing well in the market since the past days. All right. So where can you actually buy this coin? You can buy this coin on Binance. You can buy it on Binance. You can buy it on Bybit. You can buy it in other exchanges. Okay, like Huobi and the rest. All right, so in any of these exchanges you find this coin, you can actually buy it there. All right, so that is it for the XRP. And actually, if you buy the XRP, you are also to monitor the market, because actually the market, like now the market is really resetting. Okay, so you monitor it closely, check because for the past 24 hours it has been recording like a huge minus 10, and for the past 7 days it was what, minus 16.18%. Okay, but in 30 days it has been in green, and its green has been over 260. So you are to expect it recession, like it down for maybe up to 1.5 before it can take off again, I think. All right, so if you want to invest, also look at it closely, follow it up carefully, and also see what exactly you can do about it. But investing on this very coin is going to bring you a huge return. Okay, but currently, as I said, it's undergoing recession, so you check wisely and also invest wisely. So one of the coin again, I'm going to show it to you, is Cardano. All right, it's Cardano, which is known as ADA. Cardano is one of those coin with a greater feature, and that has also been doing well in the last few past days. Okay, that's also been doing well in the last few past days, but in the last 7 days, 20, or in the last 24 hours, it has been recording a lot of minus, which is roughly minus 13%. Okay, and the last 7 days its whole minus was just 18%, And for the past 30 days, it has been doing well. It has been on green, which is roughly 57.8%. Okay, its green was huge though, right? It has been doing well, and the past 9 days that's also been doing well. Okay, so all you just need to do is like watch this carefully. You have to watch this for now. You don't need to dive into it immediately because you see this video. No, you just have to like watch it carefully and see what exactly is going to be, because it has been doing well for the past 30 days, and in the last 90 days as well it has been doing well. Okay, so watch this video carefully, and as I said, watch it carefully because it's going to undergo recession for now. Then when it's been reset, then you can like seize the opportunity to dive into it and make a huge return for yourself when the market comes up again. Okay, so looking at this, you realize that its high and low has been $1.048 to 0.9, and its market cap has been over 33 billion. Its fully disputed, its fully diluted market cap has been over 43, which means it has been doing well. Okay, the volume in 24 hours was just 4.4 billion, and the circulating supply in the last 24 hours was 35, which is what is reducing gradually. So what is its all-time high? Its all-time high was 3.09. It ranked 9, and all-time low was 0.01, which was where it was launched. You can find this coin in Binance. You can find it also in Bidget. On Bybit also is there, and lots more. So all you just need to do is to watch closely, watch those videos carefully, and make sure you invest when the time is right. All right, make sure you invest when the time is right. So if you really want to be a crypto rich in 2025, then watch those coin carefully. Okay, follow them bomber to bomber, and make sure you dive into it at the right time, so that you can really make something out of it. Okay, so we're going to look at another one, which is one of my favorite, which is called Doge. If you look at this Doge is one of those amazing coins that shocks me a lot. Doge flee from 0.00 from 0.03 or so up to 0.3. In fact, it has even gone above that, which is a very nice one. But in the last 24 hours, it has recorded a minus of 9. In the last 7 days, it was just minus 4. You can see. And currently, the market is resetting. This shows that Doge has a very long ways to go again. Okay, Doge has a very long way to go. Let's look at its total market cap. Over 56 billion and so more. What about the 24-hour volume? Its 24-hour volume was 14.38. You can see, which was a very good one. Which was a very good one. Okay, what about its all-time high? Its all-time high was just 0.7, and an all-time low is 0. Lot of 0.7, lot of 0.8, right? What about its market dominance? And its rank what? Its rank number 7. This shows to you that it is a coin that also have a very high momentum. And in the nearest time, this coin will get to reach $1. So if you really looking towards to make a huge profit on crypto trading, then this is for you. But the advice here is that you don't need to trade this mostly. All you have to do here is to invest what you can afford to lose. But definitely, what you invested will actually going to turn to a very high profit. All right. So if you do like have any question, you drop it at the comment sections, and I'll attend to you ASAP. And also, my channel membership is open. You can just dive in. Let's interact there. There's also a link to my Telegram channel and also a link to my WhatsApp. You can join it and let's interact. Okay. So thank you so much for watching. Thank you for being with me from the beginning to the end. And I will see you in my next class. Bye.